Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a quick unwrapping of another Plumes piece. When I made my Plumes collection video, I thought I was done. Turns out that was false. I have since added the black drawstring bag, and now I have added the red small hobo. Excuse me. So we are unwrapping it together, and I am gonna take a look and see if a couple of accessories actually fit inside and how they actually match up and pair with this color. So I do have this in black, and I may do a side by side. But this is red. Red is the more dominant color here with the brown trim. This is the hang tag for it. Hope you all can see that with the coding for red small hobo. The outside zipper, which I love. And if I remember, I will try to link the black unwrapping of the black small hobo in the description section. So look at these colors, y'all. In the red, I really didn't know what to expect. The pictures online, like I said, it doesn't really do it justice till you see this in person. So even though the red is the dominant color, the green tries to take over. It does have black and a sky blue, a darker blue, green, orange, yellow. There's some pink there as well. And you see the black also. It does have 4 feet. And the strap is detachable. So I can wear this as a crossbody with an added strap. But the strap that comes with it, it is just a shoulder strap. Just had my scissors. All right. That beautiful brown leather and stitching. Close up of the strap and the gold hardware. The underside of it, and I'm going to go ahead and attach it. This is a fun silhouette to carry. Not too big, not too small, and holds all of your essentials and a little bit more. Does have the key keeper there, and I'm not sure if I gave a close-up of a front view of it with the inside of the zipper. I don't think I brought it close to the camera. All right, back to the inside. And this is coated cotton, so it does not come with a drawstring bag. A Dooney dust bag, I'm sorry. Not a drawstring bag. It is a drawstring bag, but it's a dust bag. Red interior. Backside zipper pocket. Slip pocket in front of that with the Dooney&Bourke patch. Front side of the purse. A longer slip pocket that goes primarily across the whole front part of the purse. Normal Dooney&Bourke setup inside. So y'all, let's see what accessories I could pair with this. This is like getting an in advance what's in my bag video or switch out. So I have my red leather zip medium wristlet. I think that could go with it. I do have my cosmetic case, so I'm wondering, I don't think it'll fit, but it does not hurt to try. So let's see if it fits inside or not. Let me put this inside so it won't get caught. Without zipping up the paper. Let's see. I think it's a little too big. Let's see. It will fit. It's a tight fit though, y'all, but it does fit. So it's like, if that's all you want to carry, if that's all you want to carry, plus, well, it's stuffed, so that does give you an idea if you have a lot in it. This, you can't put too much in it anyway. Let me take the wristlet off. If it's, no, it's not detached, so I'll leave it on. You fit that inside. And then, y'all, you know what I thought about? Since I have not, I don't even know if it's still available anymore. The red Plumes wallet or wristlet to match this. I think I'm going to make that work. I'm going to make it work because it has the same colors in there, just a different arrangement of the colors. So I think that I can make this work just because I said so. And let's see if that fits in the small Hobo as well. And we have to turn this to the side. Yes. I really need to take that strap off because it's taking up space and I wouldn't carry it on there anyway. I keep putting my scissors down and don't know where I put them. Where are, okay, there they are. It is still accessory August. So, of course, I had to see which accessories would look good with this purse. So, let's see. Put this inside too. This foam, I can take this out. I'm zipping up the, there we go. It still came back out. Okay, so let's put this in here. So that fits no problem. And then my small wallet, I can put this in here. So it's a tight fit. But if you think about it, if you have your everything that you really need in your cosmetics bag, and then whether you have gum or whatever else, change whatever you have in the medium wristlet, it's not going to bulk it out too much. And then these the flap wallet, that's about, you can't expand that too much because it has to snap closed. So this is a pretty good example of what all can fit in this small hobo. And you still have some room for more and your keys as well. And then also keep in mind that you do have this outside zipper pocket. So it is versatile, y'all. And like I said, you can put a crossbody strap on it, and which I usually do. I keep the shoulder strap on it and add a crossbody strap. So that way, if I want to carry it on my shoulder, that's fine. Crossbody strap, I would keep that reduced down to the shortest length until I'm ready to wear it as a crossbody, and then extend it out and wear it as a crossbody. So this is it, y'all. This is the red plume small hobo. Another Plumes piece that I have added to the collection, and I'm looking forward to carry as well. And I'm looking forward to using this cosmetics bag because it's definitely going to go with a lot of different color handbags that I have. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you're enjoying Accessory August as well. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. As always, you all have a wonderful day. And again, thank you so much for watching.